Hi, so welcome back to my apparently dead YouTube channel. Apparently, क्या dead ही है. So my exams are over, so it means my 11th is over. Crazy, right? Yeah, even I didn't believe I could do it. Anyways, so this video I'm making after such a long time because I don't have anything else to make, I guess. So I've been seeing आजकल ऐसे trend चल रहा है that you sit and talk about stuff, okay, on YouTube, like relevant stuff, not irrelevant shit like I do ऐसे brain rot वाला. So I will talk about something very relevant to me, at least I hope you all relate to, while I will be painting, okay. So I went to a shop and got some stuff, so I will also be painting side by side and I will show you what is my inspo. And yeah, so follow along. By the way, I'm on Pinterest if you didn't know. I have posted some pictures and I will post more hopefully, so you can follow. It's Webavigupta 31. Yeah, check out my Pinterest. So let me show you. This is my inspo. Hopefully ऐसा कुछ. Let's see what comes to life. Notebook right here. I will sketch something and then paint it. Yay! Where is my eraser? I just kept it, dude. Where? एक तो does it like happen to you too, or is it just me? Like I keep stuff and वो तुरंत गायब हो जाता है. Like this is so annoying. I kept it box के पीछे. I'm just dumb, you know. So what I wanted to talk about was that how I'm gonna be in 12th and I have no idea what to do further. Like no shit. So as a kid, it all started from like dance, I think. Yeah, actually, yeah, let's go from like route one, yes. So सबसे पहला I can remember I was like in first or second and I wanted to be a fashion designer because there was this friend with me and हम दोनों ऐसे ना उसकी file में like she used to bring shit and we used to design like क्या बोलते हैं ड्रेसेस पूरे दिन बैठ के cause क्या फर्स्ट क्लास में कितनी पढ़ाई होती है राइट तो फर्स्ट सेकंड में we used to do that only. Then I wanted to be a fashion designer because obviously I was making dresses and shit. फिर उसके बाद धीरे 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 I got into dance, like so much so that studies low-key like kind of became secondary and dance was primary because I would spend all my days dancing and stuff. So I was determined on being a dancer, that I want to dance. I will, something like a choreographer, but then it faded slowly. Like पिछले कुछ सालों में I realized that इतना dedication तो है नहीं, ना talent है मेरे अंदर. या मे बी talent, या तो talent आपके अंदर होता है या तो आप उसे you can polish it, and I didn't polish it, to be honest. After a point I left it as it was. Maybe I could have polished it, but yeah, anyways, तो मेरे को उसमें भी कुछ नहीं करना. Then I had my cooking wala phase. I was really into cooking and I was like hotel management kar lungi and some shit. Now I feel like if I will do that, it will be just wasted potential. Then I changed schools to study psychology. Psychology is fun. I like psychology and especially criminology if we talk about it. But the thing is, I hate studying actually. Like, I hate the idea of studying and actually studying. I just hate it. I'm very confused and it makes me sad because I used to despise those people as a kid who used to take drop year and like think about ऐसे कि what to do in life. I'm like कितने indecisive लोग हैं भाई अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ नहीं कर पा रहे कुछ. Guess what? I am that now. Pro tip: never hate on people which you have never known shit about. I may be thinking I will do something in psychology like criminology and pursue things side by side. Let's see what happens. And मेरे को भी ड्रॉ करने के लिए कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. I'm really scared. My worst nightmare is being a failure, which sometimes I think I already am. I don't need to become one. This is so scary, man. Turning old and stuff. I literally hate it. Wish I could go back in time and just freeze it all. But that doesn't happen, does it? Also, let me know if you like videos like this, if I actually edit and post it, which I don't know when will I do. But yeah, let's just make moon chat. Yeah, that's it. That's how life is, chat. Boring and crazy. 12th भी जल्दी start हो जाएगी after my results. Oh, I'm low-key just scared for result. Not scared, but like I have no idea what to expect because I just don't. Okay, like I studied, but I could have studied more, you know. But पेपर भी अच्छे गए थे. They didn't go bad. So let's see कैसे marks आएंगे. I hope अच्छे marks आए. Well, who doesn't hope that? होप तो सभी करते हैं. अब देखते हैं कैसे marks आएंगे. I hope your exams are going good and हो गए तो result अच्छा है. Also, I haven't been out in long. Like मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, but I haven't been like out of my state जैसे मैं vlogs डालती हूँ उसके. I could vlog me going outside also, but मेरे पुराने vlogs ही अभी तक edit नहीं हुए. So yeah, मैंने cooking के बहुत सारे videos बना के रख रखे हैं. कभी edit ही नहीं होते वो. Haha, I'm such a lazy bitch. Let's go. How was your Holi? Let me know in the comments. Hope it went well and safe. मेरा autistic mood बन के ready हो गया है. Hope you all can see. Yes. अब मैं इसको थोड़ा light कर लेती हूँ. What else can we yap about? This is my beach. Yes. कल मेरी friend का birthday है. Should I make a vlog? If I edit this and post it अभी, I will put up a poll. Okay? Yeah. Let's see. So yeah, about the thing I was talking earlier, I have no what idea. Like yeah, it looks ugly as fuck, doesn't it? So yeah, more on that. Actually, it turned out very shit, the painting. I'm making another one. Yeah, I just wanna become someone. Have you guys seen Whiplash? Yeah, the guy is chasing perfection and was I mean वो तो abused हो रहा होता है अपने वो master से. Like देखी मैंने भी नहीं है. It's in my watch list, but I've heard the explanation. It's just the urge to, you know, someone to be remembered. Like that urge. I've had it for a long time, but I don't know if I'll ever, you know, get it through with. Let's see. I want to be someone who is remembered, someone who was great, who lived, who did not just survive, who lived. So yeah, एक तो ऐसे aspirations है करती धरती में हूँ नहीं कुछ. Anyways, there's content creation. उसको actually करना is quite difficult. Like keep making content about stuff and keep being consistent is like the yeah, किसी चीज़ में consistent नहीं हूँ मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में. You have to manage school, obviously. Life is cooked, Chad. It's actually not cooked. If हम इसको cooked बना देते हैं, especially me. I just wanna run away somewhere and be free of this. But if I run away, I'll have this guilt of like wasting my time and, you know, wasting it away. Cool. Do you get that? Brooklyn Nine-Nine reference. I don't think you get that. No one gets it. Yeah, I just wanna be someone and I don't know what or who, but I wanna be someone. Yeah, that is actually quite sad. 16 साल की उम्र में तो existential crisis हो रहा है मुझे. आगे पता नहीं क्या होगा. ये बनाया मैंने अभी तक। अगर आपको डर नहीं लगा है तो आपको लग जाना चाहिए अभी तक।